and welcome to DrLevy AI platform. We aim to bring you the best in pharmacometrics in terms of combining AI with our current workflow to automate different aspects of it, such as data analysis or data visualization, as well as the actual modeling process itself. But in addition to that, to also aim to automate the reports workflow, right? So that when you're done with your analysis, you're able to do that in a seamless manner. So in terms of pricing, what we've got is various tiers of pricing. We have the free version, which allows you to use use all our apps, and with this package, you're able to use, as I mentioned, all the apps. You use the product app, you use the data visualization, you use the model visualization, and now you also are able to use the vibe modeling app that that we're currently creating and would be released soon, if not released already. But one of the downsides to that is that you don't really have much access to the AI model. For the vibe modeling apps, you are going to have access to the AI model, but you're going to have access to lower versions of AI model, which may not be the greatest in terms of maybe generating non-mem code, or only be R code that's but you're going to fit into your model. So in a way, you could take advantage of the fact that maybe you're already very good at generating those models yourself, and just copy and paste so that the AI itself can work off of, what you have provided. So a practical case of human in the loop. In terms of the pro version, so this is going for 90 right now, and actually, for what you're providing, we believe this is relatively cheap, because you're going to have access to AI models on all different platforms. Again, as I mentioned, on the project platform, on the data visualization, the model Explore platform, but also on the VAD coding. And so this really gives you unparalleled access to be able to do everything you want, automate your workflow, but do that with AI in this package. In terms of the team package, this is specifically built for teams. So let's say academic labs with multiple people there. So in order to avoid paying the pro version for each of your students or for the professor himself, you could choose to buy the team package that allows you to actually manage to manage everybody within your said group. We can add or remove people at any point, and you're still being charged based on that team package. So that's the great advantage of the team package over pro package. But in a way, each of the members are going to be getting a pro package features for the analysis. For the enterprise, we practically just give you more of what you want based on your needs, and if you have a bigger team. So you just have to contact us so we can talk about that. For example, if you needed to use that, you just have to click this contact us, and you're going to fill that, and we will get back to you as soon as it's done. Okay, so that's our pricing page, and now I'm going to go back to the DrLevy homepage. At the DrLevy homepage, you can get started with the apps that we have. But before I do that, let me quickly show you the solutions. So we have the project app. We do have the Gita app, as I mentioned, and the model app. In addition to that, we have the vibe coding app as well that can really let you do everything with AI, and not have to step in if you don't need to. But this sign-in could take you directly to our main app, which is the project app, and we can get started. So I'll click on sign in, and that brings me to this page, which is the sign-in page for those who already registered with us. But if you're not registered, you go quickly register here. And once you register, you're going to get an activation code. And based on that activation code, you can use that to activate your account, which brings you back to our sign-in page, and then we can log in. So let's assume you've created your account. The next step, obviously, is to log into your account. And we're going to talk about that in the next session. Thank you.